Yo, what is up, A2I gang? We are back with another video, and we are in the Rocky Mountains. And we just pulled up to where we had to be, and we just ran into a big f***ing problem. And we just had our first night sleeping in the van, guys. This is it, guys. If you guys have a dream, if you guys want something and you don't have money, that's not an excuse. You make it happen. This is the scenario right here.
We got a nice setup, but he's too bougie.
So wait, after all this time, guys, I haven't even told you what we're doing on this trip. I just randomly brought you guys to another state, and you guys don't even know what's going on. So for Creative Camps short film, we're officially starting the short film. This is the behind the scenes / vlog of the experience of what we're going through and what's going on. So for one of his scenes, he needs to be on a lake with mountains everywhere. So he found this perfect spot called Dream Lake, and apparently it's exactly what he's looking for his short film. And he's gonna be in the lake with beautiful mountains everywhere. So we traveled 20 hours now to get to this beautiful place. We're not there yet, but we're super close. We're about to be getting on the road again and get into these mountains. I'm super excited. We're eating and stuff right now. Yo, this is what you see in Denver. What's up, dog? That's what you see is motorcycle dog. Bye! Come on.
Whoa, she's blazing us. What the hell?
That's just seeing the ground.
What the hell? She's going like crazy.
What are you guys doing? Woo, guys, we were just talking. I'm literally so excited. We're getting so close to these high mountains. The first one, we're gonna go to Sean's favorite one, which is Dream Lake. The next shot, we're gonna be there, and I will finally be able to show you guys what we traveled 20 hours for. So be ready for that, guys. It's coming. In the next shot, you guys will be seeing it. Woo! All right, so it's back to what you guys were looking at the beginning of the video. Look at this problem. This is the street where we need to be, but it's closed. It's fucking closed. We drove 20 hours in the street we need to be. It's fucking closed. What the? How'd you get over there?
How'd I get over? We're just we got a 10-mile hike.
Dude, it's only 10 miles. I swear to God, we need to find out how to like rent bikes or like. It's only 10 miles and we could still get there. How far do you think my drone could go? Think my drone could make it? Look at this fucking sight, guys.
Holy cow.
Do you see this? I've never felt so free, Sean.
It's like open nothing and mountains and trees. That's stupid technology talking to me.
This is literally, it's honestly amazing. This is a road, guys. Do you guys see this? Look at, watch this. This is a fucking road, but because of COVID or something, this is it. You can just see me run. Do you guys see this view? We're in the Rocky Mountains, and we're in the middle of a street right now. All right, guys, you see over there? That's where we're gonna go. Let's go. Freedom! It's the middle of coronavirus. There was just a forest fire here. And then we traveled 20 hours just to see this. Road closed. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. you think an alarm will go off or something? Do you think an alarm will go off? Oh my God! Look at that way. Sean! You would not believe it. It's honestly the most beautiful sight right here.
Rocky Mountains? Rocky Mountains National Park. There's a cop coming. We're already going to jail. I think he sees us down here.
A fucking cop's coming right now.
No, it's a park ranger.
A park ranger.
They're nice
coming. We're about to be fucked. We're like, we can still go.
Going down to the closed road. It's a felon.
Shit. Guys, oh my.
No, he's just chilling.
Ah! Where? Is he the one that just drove?
No, at the end of the road.
Where? Over here?
Yeah.
Guys, we're already getting in trouble. We're coming up to a park ranger.
Uh-oh.
He's coming right now. It's gonna happen.
Okay.
Fuck.
Hello.
Day by day basis.
He's actually super nice.
Wow.
This was such terrible timing.
I
mean, like, it's close.
Where'd you guys come from?
Detroit.
I mean, there's other locations, like, you know, but
So, like,
obviously
like
one
Brainerd
is...
So
Lakes.
what's the substitutes? Name them.
Brainerd Lakes, that whole area is pretty nice. Like that, I've been to that, and that has like the lakes and like the high alpine right there.
Okay.
Lily Lake too.
Lily.
I would say if you want like that dream lake kind of effect, Brainerd Lake's gonna be your best thing.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Yeah.
I know.
What's the channel?
Yeah.
A2I.
Okay. All right, cool.
Yep, A2I on YouTube. Letter A, number 2, letter I.
All right, gentlemen, have a good day.
You too, man.
Look at that, guys. So luckily it was nice. We didn't go to jail. We didn't get kidnapped, and we didn't get deported. We're good to go. So we're gonna go to nowhere places. How does that make you feel? Are you still like, fuck?
I mean, like, we're gonna make it work, okay? Because like, even though I knew sort of that it might be closed, I'm like, we're gonna still go because I'm not gonna make an excuse to not go because it's closed. We'll find another location that's just as good or better.
Guys, so we just met like a super really nice local. He told us about all the good spots. He told us about the fires. My condolences to all the people that have been lost to the fires that were in the Rocky Mountains. I didn't know anything about it. Well, I knew a little bit, but I didn't know that how bad it was or anything like that. So anybody who was lost in the fires down here, I am very sorry. This guy that lives around here, he just told us about the fires. He showed us down there and says that if we go up that way further, we're gonna get way more beautiful sights. So that's what we're about to do right now. Gotta go, it's still nice. Thank you. All right, guys, we just got to the first spot for Creative Camps Batman scenario. There's like mountains, there's just so much going on and everything. Guys, why don't I just show you guys real quick? You guys see this view? Look at this. This is breathtaking. I'm about to go look at it.
But we can do it. Yeah, I'll walk toward camera.
So we're climbing up this mountain to get these shots, and you guys are gonna see me climb one-handed with this big ass gimbal. Y'all should see what the fuck I'm really doing. But yeah, we get the shots from my boy. I'm just kidding. Another beautiful morning in the mountains to start day 3. Just woke up and we are already on the way It's like 6:30 a.m. right now. Honestly, we're a little late in my eyes. But we're gonna get to the mountains, we're gonna get to the lakes, and get way more shots.